all, I've seen a lady here, ladies and gentlemen. Please come. Please come. Just come. Yeah, just come, please. All right. Wow. Thank you so much. Ladies and gentlemen, this lady, in her condition, has decided to make sure that she doesn't miss the show tonight. Situmshukuru, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah? Let's appreciate her. And Marvin, do we have something we can give her? Oh, there's another one. Hey, Migori ka udich manaden. Please come. Please come. Where is she? Please, just come. Just come. Just come. Wow. All right. Wow. Don't they look amazing, ladies and gentlemen? Let's appreciate them. Let's appreciate them. What's your name?
Lydia.
Lydia. Where do you come from?
Migori.
Migori. Na wapi?
Kadika.
Kadika. Okay. Ejo Kadika no dike. Aya. What's your name?
I'm Nancy.
Ma?
Nancy.
Oh, where do you come from?
I come from Migori.
Banana. Sindio? Do we have the participants? Do we have them? Oh, let them come. Please come. Just come. Hey. These guys look amazing, sindio? Tuwapigie makofi ile ya kilo ile. Hii kitu imelemea watu wengi sana bwana. Sindio? So, guys, yeah? So, what's your name?
Bernard.
Bernard from Bana? What's your name? Edwin from Kadika?
Yes.
Alright. Are you married or?
Not yet.
Dating. Alright, so get me the capes. I need to give this gentleman some capes. Sindio? So, wow. So this one is yours. Mercy, right? Nancy. And then this one is yours. Have this one. Right. Brother Gigo duto mitime mudho nonene agoa. Let's appreciate them. This is courtesy of Shining Hope for Communities. Shining Hope for Communities is Shofco, ladies and gentlemen. They do amazing job to uplift the society in various ways. This is a project that was started by Dr. Kennedy Odede, and they have amazing services. One of the things that they do is to make sure that all the expectant women in the society, including people who live in the informal settlements, that is the ghettos, are safe whenever they are doing what? They are doing their deliveries, because many a times in the ghettos and the societies huku manyumbani unapata kuzaa inakuwa kazi ngumu sana. So that is what they do. They have clinics, they have amazing packages that they give to various women depending on where you are. So one good thing also is that they care about gender-based violence. Unajua kuna wanaume wanatandikwa hapa nje, si ndio? So they also make sure that they do that, and they give hope to the society in various ways. Wow, thank you so much. We really appreciate them. Yeah? Nitie be joma dhi join group ni kawuono. Kiny gine WhatsApp group adi.